Hello there, it's Christian Youngren with Kaizen Automotive Consulting, bringing you more best automotive practices. Kaizen literally means change for the better, and continuous improvement is what our company is all about. Helping ourselves, helping others, and helping companies change for the better. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, and you want to improve your automotive selling skills, you want to learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and receive unbiased reviews on dealership product and service companies, make sure you subscribe and then turn on that bell. That way you never miss out on learning anything new. Well, all right then, let's get to work. Well, hey there, welcome to Cunis. Yeah, doing a little looking and shopping today?
Yes.
Kind of just getting started?
Yes, I am.
Kind of starts gathering information. Looking for more product information, pricing information, or perhaps a little bit of both?
Just a little bit of both.
A little bit of both? Okay, well, I can definitely help with that. To be respectful of your time, is it okay if I ask a couple questions?
Be my guest.
Did we get to be your first stop, or have you been to a few places already?
This is actually my second step for the day now.
Okay, so it sounds like you've done some shopping.
Mm-hmm.
And do you mind if I ask, typically if people have done some shopping, and in today's day and age with the internet, they kind of do a lot of the shopping online and know where they're wanting to go first, and really a lot of times have the car kind of picked out. So in today's day and age, if someone does go shopping and doesn't pull the trigger, it's usually for one of several reasons. Either they didn't find the right vehicle, didn't have the right customer or guest experience at that dealership, or they didn't find the right deals. Because one of those, or maybe a combo?
It's a little bit combination. Last vehicle I saw was just a little bit too much for what I want to spend.
Okay, it was a little bit more. And was it the Rogue as well, similar type of vehicle that you're looking here?
Yes.
Okay. Well, it sounds like you're gonna continue to do shopping until you find the right vehicle, you find the right price, and the right deal, right?
Correct.
And is it safe to assume that once you find all these, that you're ready to go ahead and pull the trigger and move forward?
That is my goal right there. Yes.
Good, well good. Well, hey, fantastic. What I'd like to do is double check to make sure this one's still available. If it is, I'll go ahead and present you some figures, and if it all works out, we'll keep moving forward.
Excellent.
And if for some reason it doesn't work out, you don't like the vehicle, you don't like the deal, I'll get you out here as soon as possible. How does that sound?
That sounds good to me.
Excellent.
All right.
Well, hey, you know what? Typically, I didn't even introduce myself. My name's Chris, and you are?
My name is Ian, by the way.
Ian, nice to meet you. Now, typically, Ian, it saves us a ton of time, and it's a lot more efficient for you if I sit down and get a little info from you up front, and that way I can write it down and make sure I'm accurate. Why don't you follow me inside, and I'll get a little info. Do you want a coffee or water while we go ahead and start the process?
I'll take a water.
Excellent. Follow me.
All right.
All right, so you can cut.